Good morning, guys. It's AJ Lords, guys. So right now, you guys, we are going to interview. So that is what's going on, you guys. So we're getting to ready for interview.
Hey guys, I just got done the job interview. It's crazy. And then I just hanged in there. Just saw the place. So hopefully I get the job. Hopefully cross out fingers. So that is what's going on, you guys.
So right now, guys, we are gonna go to Gathering, and then we're gonna see a drone show. Guys, do give it a big thumbs up. Good night.